Hi, I'm Usher Wilf. I'm a multilingual narrator and presenter working across English, Hebrew, Spanish, Russian, German, French, Arabic, and Portuguese. I specialize in documentary narration, educational content, historical explainers, and corporate communication for international audiences. This channel showcases real voice samples in real languages, delivered clearly and professionally. If you're looking for a credible international voice, you're in the right place.